In this video I will show you how can you add music to Facebook story with multiple photos. You can see here I have added some story with music. So in this video I will show you the process how can you do that. So for adding music with multiple photos in a story, you have to simply come here on Facebook. You can see here I am on my Facebook. After come here on your Facebook, you have to simply click here. I am discarding it, and you have to simply click here create story. After clicking story, you have to simply click here select multiple. After clicking here select multiple, you have to simply select some photo from here. I am selecting 3 of them. After that you have to simply click here separate story. After clicking here separate story, you can see here your multiple story have been previewed, and then you have to simply click here edit. After clicking here edit, you have to simply click here music. You can see here music. After clicking here music, as like you add music to your story, you have to simply select one of music, or if you want to add other music, if you have to simply click here search music, but I'm not going to do that. I am simply selecting one of them, and then you have to simply click here done. After clicking here done, you have to simply side scroll to the next photo, and then you have to simply click here edit again, and then you have to add our music, and then you have to click here done. After clicking here done, you have to click here next photo to edit, and then you have to click here music, and then one of them. After that you have to simply click here share. You can see here share. If you want to check your privacy, you can actually check. Doing that to custom, and then you have to simply click here share. After clicking share, your all photo will be shared to Facebook. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.